Yes, it's your boy Chris from News. We live here on the set.
My name's Fred. We over here shooting our next video
titled Lamu Pape Shit.
Don't miss out.
It's a single we just recently dropped.
It's about to be a banger. The scene's looking nice, as you can see. I'm looking spiff.
This song is a song that everybody can relate to.
Check it out. Stay tuned, and we'll keep y'all updated.
Hi, what's up? My name is Jada Koto. I'm here on the set of News new video.
Baby, it's okay. We in this together every day.
Alright, my name is Reggie. I'm representing Reggie James and I'm the stylist on the new set today. We're shooting a new video.
Doesn't matter what they got to say.
Hello, I'm Sparkle T. I'm the makeup artist for today. You can find me on Instagram at Makeup by Sparkle T. Don't forget 2 L's. Makeup by SPARKLLET.
Theater stuff, I would love to get into acting. That's what I think I'm gonna do, use modeling to get into acting. I did a monologue and it blew me away. Like, a quote I heard was, it's harder to come out of character than going in. Trust me, it's crazy.
I'm Reggie. I'm actually part of the Reggie James team. You can find me at vintage_Phils, F-I-L-S, on Instagram. And you can check out the website urbaninspired.co.
We got the beautiful Miss J over here, incredible young lady, very talented. She's about to be, hold down the dancing part.
We gotta turn up.
She's
very beautiful.
That's how News do. We don't, gotta be beautiful.
So I'm the head stylist of the shoot today with News, and this is Sharon. She's helping me today. So I'll take you through some of the pieces we have. So actually, this dress today that would probably make it into the video is by Zidane actually, and that was custom made.
One of the Boston designers, Zidane.
Yep, and then this is another dress. This is a possibility that we may have, so we don't know about that, but it's another one. And so for the male, we have these 2 pants. This one's actually from Zara, and this is the pants that he might be wearing actually, and another scene that we have. And then for the girl, we have this beautiful Jada, which is the starring lead woman in the scene or the video. We have this on her, and then we're putting this nice leather jacket on top of it. I'm sure it's gonna come out nicely for some of our shoes here. You can see we have some nice watches, Ferragamo belt. We have some other nice shoes also, and this is some of the things we're thinking about accessorizing. So that's it for today. See you next time.
Wait till this video come out. You guys are gonna love it. Trust me. Peace.
Chez nous, pas j'aime séparer.